Login loop error on the House Crowd fix. Login loop error on the House Crowd fix. If you're stuck endlessly trying to log into the House Crowd platform, entering your details only to be bounced right back to the login page, don't worry, you're not the only one. This login loop issue is surprisingly common, and it's usually not your password that's to blame. Most often the cause is outdated app data or expired authentication tokens. Let's walk through the quick fix. Start by fully closing the House Crowd app or browser tab. Then, clear your cache and cookies. On mobile, go to your settings, locate the House Crowd app, and clear both cache and stored data. If you're on a desktop browser, clear cookies and site data for the House Crowd domain. This step removes any broken login sessions that might be stuck in memory. Next, check for updates. If you're using the app, open your App Store and install the latest version. If you're using the website, refresh and ensure you're not accessing an old cache version. Now, open the House Crowd again and manually enter your credentials. No autofill, no save passwords. If you use multi-factor authentication, make sure your verification method is ready and not blocked by a spam filter or delayed email. If you're still looping, switch your network connection. Try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or vice versa. Some networks, especially corporate or public ones, block secure login requests. Lastly, double-check that your device's date and time settings are on automatic. A mismatched system clock can cause authentication errors, leading to that frustrating loop. After clearing the cache, updating, and reconnecting, your login should finally go through. So, if you're caught in a login loop on the House Crowd, remember it's not a major bug or an account issue. It's just expired data confusing the system. Follow these quick steps, and you'll regain access to your account and investments in minutes.